Good morning, it's lovely to be with you this Thursday the 14th of April. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Yesterday, the Consumer Confidence Index fell in April, down for the fifth straight month, and this follows inflation rising and prospects of higher interest rates, which has dampened sentiment further. The Aussie share market gained 0.34%, with all sectors in the green, except for the real estate, tech and consumer services sectors. Looking at the ASX 200 leaderboard, AVZ Minerals, AVZ, topped the list, gaining 11.7% after the company received a positive technical opinion from the Department of Mines. This was the fourth and final requirement for a mining license, meaning the company may soon be awarded a mining license for its flagship project. And on the other end, cement and lime producer Adbri, ABR, fell 4%. Morgan Stanley hold a pessimistic view on the stock due to adverse weather and higher energy costs. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Regis Resources, LKR, Stockland, SGP, and Regis Resources, RRL. Moving to the US, all three benchmarks closed in the green, with the Nasdaq and the S&P500 snapping their respective three-day losing streaks. Stocks rallied despite surging inflation numbers as corporate earnings season kicked off. As for what to watch today, following the positive session in the US, the futures are suggesting that the Aussie market is set to open 0.23% higher this morning. In commodities, the oil price continues to rise, up over 3% to US $104 a barrel. This comes as investors become more discouraged about the peace talks between Russia and Ukraine, further fueling concerns about tight supplies. The gold price hit a one-month high as high inflation boosts its appeal, and the spot iron ore price is trading 2% higher at US $148 a tonne. In economic news, the unemployment rate will be released today at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. As a reminder, the unemployment rate in February fell to 4%, which was only the third time in history that unemployment has fallen to that level. In the RBA statement on monetary policy in February, they noted that the unemployment rate is forecast to decline gradually to 3.75% by the end of 2023. So consensus is expecting March's reading today to come in at 3.9%. Lastly, coal mining company New Hope Corporation, NHC, and accounting services company Diverger, DVR, are set to go ex-dividend today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have maintained its buy rating on technology hardware and equipment company EROAD, ERD. However, have reduced its price target from $5.95 to $5. Pleasingly, US unit growth was slightly ahead of Bell Potter's estimate, suggesting that recent unit churn issues may be dissipating. However, the recent CEO and CFO departures have created uncertainty towards management and future strategy. Bell Potter's understanding, though, is that these departures are not related to ongoing operations. Now, ERD's current share price is $2.71, so this implies 85% share price growth in a year. Finally, Trading Central has a bullish signal on Bapcor, BAP, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $6.46 to the range of $6.90 to $7 in the next 10 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. I'm Paulina Peters, and from all of us here at Bell Direct, we wish you a safe Easter break.